Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is my daughter. She's 3 years old. Her name is Ellie. And today's video, I'm going to have her do my makeup. We're all a little bored and I figured why not? We can make this a little interesting. So I have some stuff already picked out and she's going to attempt to put on my face and we're going to see how this goes. So first we're going to do something, we're going to put on some foundation. This is the Wet n Wild foundation. So I'm going to have her put it, I'm going to put it on and then she's going to try and spread it out. Okay, here, I'm going to take this one. Now you're going to move this one on my face. Look, look, look. Come here. Okay, Mommy's going to put it on her face. Here, come. What is it? Okay, hey, spread it. Spread Mommy's face. Do it. Good job. This side. This side. Okay, do it. Mm-hmm. Oh, look, Ellie, up here. Good job. Keep going. Alright.
Fine.
Yeah, we're going to put that one next. Next, we're going to put some concealer, some Milani Conceal and Perfect Longwear Concealer. So, yeah, okay, come sit down.
Okay. Yeah. See. Wanda.
Put it on my face. Okay. Can you spread it right here?
Right here.
Not the right brush, but whatever. That's fine. Yeah. Okay. We have the concealer all done. Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Sorry.
Okay, now we gotta put the powder on so we can set it. And get that one back. Okay, look, it goes right here. Right here. Good job. Very gentle. Good job. Good job. Okay, now the next thing we're gonna do is face makeup. By the way, the powder is Coty Airspun.
That's funny.
In translucent. And now we're going to be using Physicians Formula Butter Collection with Wileen. So I actually really like this. This is really nice. Okay, kid. So we're going to put, it smells really good too. We're going to put Sunset Bronzer on. Okay, here. Okay, now put it right here.
Copy your pink.
We'll put on pink in a second.
Thank you.
Look right here.
Here.
Yeah.
Oh. Now pink.
She gave up.
It's a pink. Now pink.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I'm going to put that one on. Okay, now we're going to put the blush, apricot. I'm sorry, butter blush on herself. Good job.
Okay.
Very nice.
Yeah.
Okay, now can you put it on mommy? Here, can Can you take that one?
Okay.
Put that there. Okay, now put it on mommy's face. Like that. Okay. Can you put it on the other side? Right here. Okay, here. This. Put it on mommy's face right here. Put it on mommy's face. Good job. Very nice. Yeah, you want to put it on the side again? That's a good idea. You want to even it out. Yay! Good job.
There you go.
Yeah, thank you.
All that.
Okay, and then one more thing. And then we're going to put golden hour. Take that one. Good job. Okay, and then put it right here. There you go. Good job. Good job. Oh, is mommy glowing? We'll see. Yeah. Okay, let's do it again. Okay. Oh, yes, you want it on. Yeah, you should glow too. Yes, you're very pretty. You should look so fabulous with that on. Okay, go put this on. Okay. And then put it right here. Good job. Yeah, there you go. Oh, you want more?
One more.
Okay. All right. Oh, that's wonderful. Yes, yes. Okay, all done. Good job. Thank you. And now
Now
we're going to do brows. Going to be using L'Oreal Brow Stylist Definer in the shade Dark Brunette. Okay. Going to put these up. All right, kid. Can you do this?
Can we this?
See, we're gonna do this. Look. Can you do it?
Can we do it?
No, on mommy. Do it on mommy. Do it on mommy. Good job. Oh, okay, that works too. Yeah, there you go, very gentle. Here you go, good job. Now do it on this side.
Where is it?
Okay, good job.
Oh.
And now, the one thing that you've been very anxious to do is to do the eyeshadow. So I'm going to be using a NYX palette. So it was a limited edition during my birthday month.
Oh.
Yeah, okay, come sit.
Right here. Right here.
Best part she's been excited for.
Okay.
Okay, you pick a color. Okay. Okay, grab a color and put it in mommy's eye, right here. Oh, that works too. Well, you know, we always have that third eye. You put it on mommy's eye. Right here. Yeah, there you go. Good job. Okay, can you do it? Can you put this color? Okay, okay. Good job. Okay. Put it on mommy's face. Oh, yep, that's good too. Yeah. Good job. Oh, we're gonna do it on your face too. Okay, then you can do mommy's face. Good job. All right, one more color. How about that one? Put that one on mommy's face. There you go. Good job.
All that.
Oh wait, we gotta do the other side. Look. Good. Good job.
All that.
All right, all done. That looks wonderful. Okay. Now I'm going to curl my lashes and I will help her put on mascara. Now you're gonna help me with this part, okay? I've already curled my lashes. So now you're gonna help me put this on. Okay. Like this. Okay, now we're going to put it on this side. Okay.
Oh, stop.
All right, all done is right. Good job, kid.
Bye. Bubble.
All right, the last thing, we're gonna put on some lipstick. Gotta put it on mommy's lips, okay? Here. And on your face too. Good job. Okay, now put on mommy. There you go. Yay! Good job.
Yay.
All right,
All
and this
done.
is the final look. It looks wonderful.
I do every day.
Thank you, Ellie, for
Thank
putting
you,
my makeup on
Dad.
today. And
Thank
I
you.
hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you hit the thumbs up button. And make sure you hit the subscribe button and ring the bell so you'll be notified of when I upload new videos. And I hope you enjoyed this. I did. It was fun. And it was just meant to be fun. And I hope I get to see you soon next time. Thanks. Bye.
Bye.